What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Kobe Sneaks. Before we get into today's unboxing review and on-feet look of the new Yeezy 500 Salt, I want to remind all of you of our 100 subscriber giveaway. When this channel hits 100 subscribers, make sure you are one of them, because I'll be giving away this Kith Coca-Cola mini can set. This dropped with the most recent Kith Coca-Cola collaboration. It was an in-store gift, so we got this from the actual New York City Kith store. So if you want to win this and have it shipped directly to you, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and then make sure you leave a comment down below telling me what you want this year for Christmas. Well, besides this. Alright, moving on to today's video. So, today we're looking at the brand new Yeezy 500 in the Salt colorway. These came out today, November the 30th, in North America at least. They retail for a price of $200 US, or up here in Canada, $280 Canadian. Now, these shoes were pretty well stocked on sites like Adidas and Foot Locker and things like that, and they were also stocked very well on the consortium sites like Livestock up here in Canada. We have Haven and a few other stores. Now, even though most stores did do raffles for these, they were pretty much an easy guaranteed win. Now, this is the fourth colorway of the Yeezy 500 iteration. We have the blush, we have the black pair, we have the black pair, we have the super moon yellow, and then now we have the salt. And I'll be honest with you guys, I'll show you the shoes in just 1 second. These are not the color of salt. When you look at the pictures on the Adidas site, or on any site for that matter, they look straight up light gray. That's what I was expecting, is a light gray. These are not light gray. Like, they are, but they're also green and blue, and it's a weird color. Another important note before I open the box is the only current Yeezy shoe that Adidas makes with Kanye that does not have the Boost technology in the sole. The sole of these is something called AdiPrene, which is Adidas' more orthopedic line of soles, which some people say they like more than Boost, and others say they like Boost way more. Anyways, without further ado, let's get this box open. And there is the shoe. Alright, now taking a look at the upper of these shoes, the upper is comprised of a whole bunch of random shapes and paneling, but pretty much there's three main materials. You've got your mesh, you've got your suede, and then you've got your leather. And then all three of those materials are kind of put on here in a very bubbly or circular way to add to that big, chunky dad shoe effect. The front of the shoe here has that signature double V or W shape in the suede cut. Very similar also to the 700 Wave Runner. And then the heel patterns here are kind of cut in this wave style, waveform pattern. The midsole of these shoes is done in in that AdiPrene rubber material to match the color of the upper. And fun fact, the style of this midsole is actually reminiscent of some early on Adidas basketball shoes. Now, looking at the details here, on the outside of each shoe, you have the AdiPrene Plus branding, and then on the inside of each shoe, you have the Adidas 3-stripe branding. And then on the front toe box, you also have that Adidas 3-stripe branding as well. The front portion of the midsole has this kind of grid-like pattern engraved or etched into the rubber, whereas the back heel portion of the midsole has more of a diagonal line finish to it. The outsole is a continuation of that AdiPrene rubber matching color sole. And the design of this outsole kind of reminds me of if you've ever been to like a foot doctor or an orthopedic specialist or podiatrist, whatever they're called. When they take a foot map or a pressure map of how you stand on your feet, this is what it looks like. It has those those blotches of pressure where your feet put the most pressure on the ground. And then just very small here, it has a non-marking sole symbol on the bottom half. The tongue of the shoe is a mesh core with kind of a leather, or I'm not sure if it's leather or vinyl, design on top. And the tongue also has a convenient heel tab or tongue pull or tongue tab, whatever, this thing here. The laces are an exact matching color to the entire rest of the shoe, but they are more of a traditional lace, unlike the Yeezy 350 where you have that rope, thicker style lace. Alright, that's pretty much it. Let's get these on the feet and see them in action. bring it back in. Now, to be honest, when I saw these in the pictures, I thought they were going to be kind of boring. I thought they were just going to be like a light gray, very similar to the blush, but instead of being a light brown, more of a light gray. But honestly, these look way better on feet. Having that tint of green and blue in the entire shoe color kind of adds a bit of interest to the color or interest to the eye when you see it right away. Obviously, the videos on here or the pictures on the web do not do justice. You have to see these in person to actually appreciate the subtleness to the color they chose. Now, personally, I would not name these salt. I would name these something like meadow, fern, algae. But nonetheless, these are definitely a Kobe cop. And that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget, if you want to be included in my 100 subscriber giveaway, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below telling me what you want for Christmas. Just those two things. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below telling me what you want for Christmas. I'm probably going to run the contest for about a week until we hit that 100 subscriber mark, and I will announce the winner in my next, or maybe second next, or third next video. But until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.